Hello, y'all. Let me show you what I've got for you today. This is a miniature library pocket. Is that just the cutest thing in the world? A friend of mine has a paper punch that does this. It punches out. It looks kind of like a t-shirt, but when you fold it up, you fold it this part up and you fold those sides in, it makes the cutest little itty bitty bitty miniature library pocket. And that's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I have decided let's make a bigger one just for fun. I think it would be cute just a little bit bigger too. So this is one that I made earlier, but I forgot to punch my little divot thing. You've got to do that first, or you'll tear it trying to get into it like moi. Okay, I cut my paper at 6.5 by 3. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, so I don't forget this time, I'm gonna cut a little divot, a little thumb hole, okay, like so. And then I am going to, I was gonna get the scoreboard, but we don't have to have it necessarily. We're going to fold it. Well, I do want it to be pretty exact, but I'm folding it at 3 inches. From the divot, go down 3 inches. So we cut our paper 6.5. So if you fold it at 3, that'll leave you a 1/2 inch at the top right here, a 1/2 inch space. And then these two corners, come here you, I'm going to round them like so. Now, yes. Well, you know what? The easiest thing to tell you right there is just glue. I was going to say make your flaps and all that stuff, but you know what? You could just stitch or glue there and there, and you've got a little pocket, and it's just that simple. But now what I did to the other ones, to this one, I went in there about a 1/2 inch in from the edge. You don't have to do this. Like I said, it'd be easier to do it the other way. And I put my blade down on the fold at the 3 inches, and I just cut that piece. Flip it over, go about a 1/2 inch, put your blade down on the cut, or you could do this with scissors if you don't have a paper trimmer. See what I done? That's all I did right there. Let me figure out which way I'm going. I'm getting confused. Okay, here we go. I'm going to cut these little guys off at an angle. I'll cut that off at an angle. And then if you have a scoreboard, it'd probably be better to score this. And I do, but I'm just going to show you in case you don't. I'm just folding those little bitty flaps up over the edge like so. Okay, which means I've got to round my corners again since I cut off the ones that I rounded. Okay, so now all you got to do is glue this and this down to here, and there you have a cute little pocket. Now let me show you the difference between if you did it like I just showed you, and you've got that that little 1/2 inch of a flap there. When you glue that down, you've got a little bit of room because that little flap kind of gives you a little more room. So if you want a little more room to put things in there, if you don't need the extra room, you could have just left it open the way I had it first before I trimmed it, and just glued those two, and then that'd be a little bit tighter, like maybe for just one tag. So just according to what you're gonna put in it. I think I do like it like this. The other way is easier, but I like this because I like to have that little extra room to put something in there. And you could do this in any size you want to, any width, any length. Just let this part be, about a 1/2 inch overlapped. This one, I just stapled it just for the video. I just put a staple here and here, but I would glue or stitch it so it would stay very well. So anyway, I just wanted to show you anything that you have that might be itty bitty bitty bitty, just blow it up a little bit. Make a little bigger one if you want to. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.